Hi friends, welcome to Custody Family Life. In this video, I am going to unbox my new Rode Video Micro Mic I purchased in Amazon. You can find a link in this description. Mainly I bought this because it was light, weight and portable when I go for the traveling. This is how it comes. It was well packed on the box. On the side they mentioned what we are getting inside. We are getting 2 years warranty and with no battery required, but there is a chance it utilizes the battery which we are using. It depends on the device. It might be camera or other device, so make sure to keep extra battery on your camera. And next, of course, it is compact, and next it comes with a small record which actually helps for the small vibrations. So let's open and see what is inside. Yeah, here again there is a small box, well packed, and now I'm opening. Yes, and yeah, we can see there is a windshield and it was attached to the microphone. The windshield is sneezing out, and yeah, microphone is very pretty small. I liked it. And inside there is a metallic, and outside there is a kind of plastic material. And this is a Rycote which helps protects from the vibration. So we just push little bit to joint. One thing I like in this about this microphone is that it has a removable aux cable. See, there is a two removable aux cable, and we can join. We can connect to the microphone whenever we want, and we can remove. It's very comfortable. It comes with the guidebook, and they mentioned in all languages clearly. And there is a warranty card. Here we need to register in the website for warranty, and there we use this code. So now it's time to connect this microphone to my DSLR camera. Here it is my 60 Mark II camera. There is a mic port on a camera as you are seeing. So now we will connect one side of a aux cable to camera, and the other is already connected to the mic. Upside of camera we will place the record and tie the record using mount shoe. Here it is. We connected the mic to the camera. It was not shaking. Now set up the camera. Press on menu button, and you will see sound recording audio. It was in auto, so you just click on auto and you will set to manual, and then go to the recording level. Here you can increase your recording level or you can decrease as you like. So set, and next we'll see wind filter. So it was a disabled, so you just enable it and then set. That's it. Now I am going to test my mic using camera. Johnny, Johnny, yes papa, eating sugar, no papa, telling lies, no papa, open your mouth, ha ha ha. Johnny, Johnny, yes papa, eating sugar, no papa, telling lies, no papa, open your mouth, ha ha ha. This mic is also compatible to the mobile. I connect mic with my iPhone 11. You just need a audio adapter cable converter. So one side of the aux cable connect to the audio, and the adapter side of the converted cable to the mobile. As simple as that. Please subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you for watching.